Welcome back to another vlog, FLT. Merry Christmas, everybody. It's like, what time is it? It's like 2 o'clock. Going over to my family's house for Christmas dinner. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And be grateful for everything you guys got. Doesn't matter if it's expensive or cheap, it's the thought that counts. When I get back home, I'm gonna show you guys the Christmas gifts that I got this year. I'm very thankful. Thank you to all my friends who gave me gifts. It was so nice of you guys. You know when you're not expecting something and then boom, it's just like, oh, okay, like wow, highly appreciate it. So I will be right back when I get to my uncle's house, Christmas dinner. Yeah, you see a Christmas dinner in a Jamaican house. Lots of food. Yeah, lots of food. What the hell? Woo! Time to go stuff my face. Look at the hairstyle though. It's nice, eh? I like it. I know it looks good. Thanks. I'm in slippers, guys. Mom. Hello. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, sir.
Food. Share, baby.
Chinese man. Too much.
Well, start one now.
I mean, so they mean say half rich quick.
Yep.
That's what they call half rich quick. They mash up any industry. Any industry they mash up. Plastic rice. Can you imagine?
For real.
Plastic rice, plastic flour. Like
What you done?
Alright, time. Fashion over style.
Yes guys, so I have a YouTube channel called Job World, you know. He's going to insert it somewhere, right?
Boom, right here.
Yes, so go subscribe. Don't like, comment and share with a friend, you know. You become a part of the family, isn't it? I'm out.
That way.
Come this side, yeah, your brother come this side and eat for me.
You. Shellings. Yeah, man. So type here. Yeah, tell me YouTube channel.
You have to eat healthy, you know. Trap King Taiwan. One and only Taiwan.
What's wrong? What's wrong? He's not doing anything.
Is it? It's a family setting. Whole family's here. I'm just waiting for that rum cake.
Everything there.
Domino, you know, see oriented the domino table and carry downstairs there, so.
No, man, you
to put in something for.
we'll take that too. No, man.
Yes, my dear.
Then we'll play that. Figure it out. Then you guys come with the domino idea after.
Any Jamaican house here in Domino's?
Have to be playing. And if you not play, we have to go to the TV and play that. Look for the TV, we don't care, we don't watch it. Then we have to come more.
Oh, man. But yo, Taiwan's YouTube channel next year?
That was loud. We are going even harder than before.
Yeah.
You see, back then, we dep on like 30, but right now, it's like 120. We got over the speed limit, so make sure to stay and watch it. Play.
The whole family's on the YouTube channel. But I'm gonna go eat some more food because I'm hungry. Hey, look, mom made the rum cake. See this? Watch it, watch it. I the rum cake, yeah.
Hey, close this up.
I will fight.
Tell me I sell it here, you say no.
You can't sell the rum cake.
Okay. Then where you put it for advertisement?
Pick a number. Where you get?
Keep it in a...
What? We can't get a different number.
No, one thing.
Wrong two number.
Number few.
What number 3? Something wrong with it.
Yeah, man, go on, you can go on. No, Bobby, come on, yeah.
No.
Look
Look here. You need to tell all the rules of the game going on. Everybody pick.
Yes, sir. Give it.
Yes. Don't know what to go. One time. 3 more. Let me see what you think.
Show me up here.
Yeah. Show everybody.
Yeah, show me. Listen again.
How much time is it?
Listen again.
Any amount of time until it finish. Any amount of time until the game done.
I'm so we expect to come in.
If somebody steal it from you, go again.
Oh, we can't see.
Number 4. No, number 8. No, you can't see back in. You can't take for you. You only can. No, I know for you. You can't. So if my number 1, number 2. Number 2, come and your game.
Number 2.
Give it to me.
You?
Number 2.
Oh, I'm a prisoner. Oh, finally.
No, the game will finish until the last one. Yeah, until the last one.
We have in there.
No, that even you much time.
Whatever you get in the game, you have to take it with a stone.
Time we can't see out.
Whatever you get, you have to take.
Bobby, no right. Bobby, come on.
It's a stone. For baby kings in breakfast. Number 3, go pick your game.
Yo, look out for the man game, man go drop the man. We are hold the man for. Make the man go drop it. When man. Make the man have 1 man in already. Keep just an out. Christmas. Give me. Let me know if you kill her. Run the one you man and put one of my children against the stand. I went back to dirty shot.
Welcome back to the vlog. It's the next day. Like, yo, I ate so much food yesterday. Right now, I gotta go drop off the Christmas gifts for my godsons. I know they must have been like, yo, this guy forgot about us. Nah, it's a crazy day. So it's about what, 5 o'clock. The sun's already starting to go down. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Give them their Christmas gifts and see how crazy they go. Gifts right there. Wait, you have to wait, not yet.
I'm right here.
You can't be in it. Hi, Raven. See you guys. That's my best friend in the world. Okay, so now we're gonna open Christmas gifts. Which one is yours? Huh? No, this one is yours. That one is yours. These are yours. And this one is yours. Cause it's going on YouTube. Okay, open it.
was great.